4 men and 2 women can do a piece of work together in one day, and if a woman is twice as efficient as a man, in how many days can a woman working alone can do the work? Before we solve the question, I hope that you have already watched all the concept videos on time and work plus the model questions on time and work. In case if you haven't watched it, I've given the links of all the concepts and the model questions in the description. So do watch all those videos and get a clear picture of how we are going to utilize those tricks and traits in these questions. So multiple men and multiple women are combinedly doing a work in one day, right? So which means we cannot directly go for the man days trick, but we can make use of the chain rule, right? So M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equivalent to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. But moreover, here they've just given us one case alone, right? So let's take this part alone, and it's been given that 4 men and 2 women can do a piece of work in one day, right? So in place of M1, we can mention it as 4 men and 2 women can do a piece of work in just one day of time, right? So that's the only information which we have got. The number of hours or the amount of work which is done is not given, right? So let's move on to the next point. And also they have mentioned that a woman is twice as efficient as a man, right? So let's find out the ratio between the efficiencies of a man and a woman, alright? And it's clear that a woman is gonna complete twice as much as work as a man, right? So let's assume a man completes 1 unit of work, which means in the same period of time, a woman will complete 2 units of work, right? Now, what does this efficiency ratio mean? We can literally assume that a man can complete 1 unit per day and a woman can complete 2 units per day. Alright? And we already know that 4 men and 2 women will complete the whole job in one day, right? So, how many units can 4 men complete in one day? Definitely it's 4 times 1, which is 4 units, right? Similarly, how many units can 2 women complete in one day? So 2 times 2, which means again one more 4 units, right? So on the whole, these set of people are going to complete 8 units of work in a single day. And we can also say that the total number of units to be completed is 8 units, right? Now what is the final question? In how many days can a woman alone can do the work, right? From this efficiency ratio, it's very clear that a woman can complete 2 units of work. So how long will she take to complete this 8 units of work? Very simple. 8 upon 2, that is going to be 4 days of time. So we have the answer in option